Huh?
Who's that?
Why they driving so slow?
Why is there a ribbon on top of that?
They trying to hit?
No! No, you did not. No, you did not.
Either a 3 Series BMW brand new 2021 or brand new 2021 C-Class Mercedes. So I'm literally at these dealerships. Like at this point, it's just gonna come down to whoever got the best price. I like both cars. I love both cars. I know they'll love it. They're coming from a price of 200,000 miles on it right now. So really about who's gonna give me the best deal. But the funny thing about it is I'm literally letting both dealerships see me drive across the street back and forth, shopping each other's deals to each other to see them, you know, beat each other on price. So I'm literally hopping in the car, just driving right across the street. If they don't, like, I'm like, yo, take another 1,000 off. You know, we don't know if we can do it. I'm like, what? I'm getting in my car, driving right across the street, and I'm scaring them both. But at the end of the day, it's all about the customer, man. It ain't about the, like, you know, these cars don't cost what they charging anyway, man. They need to take a few dollars off, let me do something nice for my parents, and everybody wins. All right, man, so we still here at BMW. We checked out a gray 3 Series, but now they just brought this one out, all white one, M Sport package. I think this one gonna be the move right here. I mean, got the sporty wheels on it. He's gonna bring the key out in a minute so we can check out the interior, but I like this. I think my parents gonna be real happy with this one. Yeah, this interior is nice. Got that new car smell.
Yeah, I like it better for them.
Yeah, I like this. I'm pretty much sold on this, man. What you think?
This is the one, especially the white. Looks so much better.
All right, man, so I'm back at the crib. Quick update. I'm actually not gonna get the white 3 Series. Beautiful car, but they actually had a X3, which is a bigger SUV, BMW SUV that is way nicer, black on black, with a panoramic sunroof, just way more features and pretty much for the same price. So I'm gonna go with that. I may have a little bit of footage that I can show you of the car. I took some shots with my cell phone, but yeah, that's where we at right now. So all the paperwork is done. I should be picking it up tomorrow sometime, and then just figuring out some kind of way of surprising them with it. So maybe I'll take them out to lunch or something, who knows. So stay tuned. Tomorrow my parents get a brand new 2021 BMW X3. All right, man, so headed up to the dealership right now. It's the next day, obviously. Gonna pick up the 2021 X3 and try to figure out how to surprise my parents, man. Paperwork should be all good to go. And at this point, you know, the hardest part is just trying to figure out how I'm gonna surprise them if nobody let the cat out the bag and they already know. But I don't think they know anything, so I'm gonna go pick the car up, or maybe not even pick the car up. Might even have it delivered. So I don't know. Everything's still up in the air right now how I'm gonna make this happen, but stay tuned. Woo, this is it right here. Spotted it early. Yep. Looking clean, looking clean. So now, just gotta go take delivery, man, or figure out what we gotta do. Stay tuned.
So now, do you want me? We have a boat here. I'll bring the boat with me.
Yeah, because what I'm gonna have you do is just like pull up in their driveway and just like maybe I'll bring them some lunch or something. We'll be sitting outside eating or something, and then
Yeah. Okay.
looks clean, man. Looks nice.
Yeah, no, that's so he has it quite. So what's he gonna do with the Chrysler now?
It's gonna be good because now he should be able to just use that as like and not beat up on this if it runs. Like if you gotta go to Home Depot or something and something that's gonna destroy this interior, like throw it in that Chrysler.
He's gonna freak out when they go over the head of display.
Yeah, this is nice, man. All right, man. I don't know if you can notice out the back window there, I got the salesman Joe actually following me to my parents' house right now in the X3. He has a nice big silver bowl. He's gonna park down the block, and I don't know what kind of excuse or story I'm gonna make up, but I'm gonna get them to somehow come outside to the driveway, and you know, at that point he'll pull it in the driveway and hopefully they'll be surprised. So see what happens next. Still on my Drake, you know what I'm saying? So we see what happens next, man. But yeah, we got the X3 following us. I'll show y'all the, you probably can't see it in the mirror, but stay tuned, man. That's all I can tell you is stay tuned. We literally, the dealership is maybe 5 minutes from their house, so this is about to go down, man. Mom, Dad, I love y'all. Yeah, about to get a brand new 2021 X3. First and last owner. Nobody else but been in them seats except Joe. Damn it, Joe. But yeah, y'all the first and last owner of this 2021 X3 BMW. So I'll see y'all in a minute. Stay tuned.
His face on us through the camera.
I'm always filming.
Filming for what?
Cause YouTube wanna know how y'all doing, man. Y'all doing good?
Who wanna know?
People be leaving comments like, what's the updates? Do they enjoy the house?
You should have sent them to Thanksgiving where we had everything.
I know, but you could just tell them right now, like, hold on, I got a call. Got a call, hold on. Hold on, let me take this real quick. Yeah. Oh no, I didn't call. It probably dialed in my pocket. All right. No. Give me like 2 minutes. All right. All right, I'm back. What you running and hiding? Y'all scattered? One went this way, the other one went that way. Everything is good.
Sounds good.
Y'all enjoying the new house?
Yes, we are.
Was it 1 year later? A little more?
Picture on the front.
As long as that red light going, we good.
Oh, okay. So that's the camera now?
That's how cameras are. Everything's compact nowadays.
We're doing good. We love it. It's like living in the Poconos every day. You see the deer,
Dear,
you see
yeah.
the raccoons and the squirrels and rabbits.
Crazy.
Just by hanging out. But we're doing good.
Whatever happened with the The car still got a
I
great
was up
car.
there this morning. They said it'd be 2 weeks before they even get to it.
So you can look at it.
You think it's a wrap?
Well,
It probably is a wrap.
200,000 miles.
I have to tell the people.
Oh, now I can edit that out.
well, there's a lot of recalls on certain parts of the car, so it all might be covered. But I was just back there looking at cars now.
What kind of cars?
Something like a 217. I can get very cheap.
For what kind?
It was
All,
the same type.
all different kind of cars. Like
Something that's not
cheap.
gonna cost a lot of money
Yeah,
per month.
less than 200 a month.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Oh, look, let me get a picture of y'all in the driveway.
In the driveway.
Just for the update.
Should I put my shoes on?
You got on shoes.
These is not shoes.
You gonna be able to get downstairs with your knees?
Maybe I should change my pants.
Change pants for a quick picture. I already got y'all in the film.
Did you take a picture of my yellow flower?
Yeah, everything out here looks nice.
Everybody's been asking, what's the name of this flower? What's the name of this flower?
Why y'all got a fire going out here?
The
Because we hate to
mosquitoes.
step out and bugs around.
Yeah, every time
Who
we
did?
step out, there's bugs.
Mm-hmm.
Who's that, Ty?
Yeah.
What's he doing? Why is Ty?
Mm-hmm. Y'all know he was coming? Alright, well, let me get y'all picture. What you doing here?
Our grandpa. I actually came over here to visit y'all. I didn't even know he was gonna be here.
Yeah, I just told him.
Huh?
Who would you like to call?
I just told him I want to get a update picture of them enjoying the new house and everything. Coming over here, take a picture in front of the front of the Escalade.
I might as well get a picture too.
Take a picture of my 2 new knees.
You just want us to stand in front of the Cadillac.
Listen, you stand in front of the Cadillac. One day you know you get your own car.
We gonna get the Cadillac?
That's how y'all gonna pose?
Pose in front of the caddy.
Oh, posing in front of the Cadillac like it belongs to me. This is my dream car. One day,
One day.
we'll have a Cadillac like this. What color would you like?
Doesn't matter.
Why do I believe that?
Why? Did we plan to have mop buckets in it?
My buckets. Where you going with that one?
Cans?
When did he become a janitor?
Hold on, I'm gonna get it with my phone too.
With your phone?
Who's that coming with a bow?
Who that?
Huh?
Who that?
Who's that?
Who
Why
that?
they driving so slow?
Why is there a ribbon on top of that?
They trying to hit?
No! No, you did not. No, you did not. What is this? He's gonna run me over. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Who's that?
Congratulations.
Hey!
My man Joe.
What's going on?
All right.
He's going to run me over. I'm dead already. Just kidding.
There goes your new car. BMW 2021 X3.
Congratulations. Joe, pleasure to meet you. Congratulations. I'm waiting.
Thank you. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. No.
Uh-oh, he about to cry, right? Go ahead. Let it out. I'm shaking for y'all.
Oh God.
Take a look at it.
I'm afraid. You're kidding me.
I'm I'm not gonna lie. If you keep doing this, we're gonna need an ambulance on call one of these.
Get in. That's your car.
What is that stuff?
Oh, that's a stuff for the what's in that bag?
Yeah, I have your second key in there, so you go ahead. That's fine. Go ahead. Yeah, that's all good for you.
Oh. We get to keep this?
You get the key right here. Over here, you can adjust your seats.
I'm still
We're gonna have to watch the
I'm
video.
still in shock mode. So.
Beautiful. What if you need here? A little sunglass holder here for you.
Okay.
You need to put anything there for you.
Oh no.
Right? On the left side, if you pull this latch twice, it
Don't
opens up
take
your
my
door.
face.
And to unlock and lock the doors will be here. Alright? And then you set your seat memory here for you as well.
Okay.
You do have a sunroof as well. So this
Yeah,
part
hit
here,
that sunroof, show
if I
them
push
the
back.
panoramic. It just keep going.
Stop it,
The panoramic. Why would you do it over there? Cry.
Alright. That screen here is all touchscreen here for you. You have your navigation, your music here for you as well. Which is nice. I don't know if you can tell with the doors, but if you look inside, if you look in the back seat, you have the ambient lighting, so you can change these different colors. However you
Oh,
like.
okay.
Yeah, you see the door turning orange.
Mm-hmm.
You remember how the BMW I had it with the lights all
Yeah.
around the car?
Mm-hmm.
So you can have the same thing here for you as well.
Okay.
Man, plug yourself,
Of
cause
course.
let people
Anything you
know.
need, let me know. Competition BMW, Joseph St. Val. You can give me a call at 631-360-2556. Beautiful experience.
Pull it that way.
This way?
Yeah. That way you don't scratch the chink.
Put in the trunk?
Yeah, throw in the trunk. So with the trunk, show them how to do the kick thing.
So you have the key with you?
Oh, they got the kick.
They got the kick.
That's a fun feature. I'm not gonna lie.
You're always here. You just stand right behind the trunk, right in the middle. Just give it a kick like this. Now it's open for you.
So if you're carrying groceries or something and your hands full, just karate kick, and then
That's a little rail, I would say. You need to put something that's pretty heavy. You don't want to like pull it. You gotta pull it around and just kind of push it on the way down. Because these seats, if you see the latch here on the left side, if I pull them down, I can fold them down. So if you need to put something further, you could. And then I want you to kick it and close it. Yeah. Beautiful.
nah.
You drive back, I'll drive back.
Sure, no, you get to drive. It's your
You
car.
gotta drive. You gotta learn how to drive it.
Hey, what's the difference?
Joe ain't gonna be here for you every day.
A car is a car.
He gonna be trying to call you, Joe. Huh? Did I do what?
Did you put this on YouTube? Phil wanna know.
It's still being made.
Oh.
We still making the video right now. How we gonna put it on YouTube?
He's doing the video as we speak.
Phil asked if the video is on YouTube. I'm like, we live.
That's you know they don't know how this works. Which is cool.
Is the seat back too far?
No, I'm good.
You guys comfortable up seat? Cause I have a lot of room.
No, I'm good.
Yeah, I'm good.
So you're going straight down this?
Yeah, you're gonna be
Yeah,
going
take it
straight
straight
for a
down.
while.
Oh. Where all those car dealers at?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's only one car dealership up there, BMW.
Okay, well, I'm just saying that's the way I go to take I took the Chrysler.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. It's in the shop.
How long did the Chrysler break down? How long ago?
A week ago.
Okay.
About 10 days.
Maybe it started overheating.
Well, it was overheating, so the radiator flushed out. Then we come to find out that the module was bad.
Oh, okay.
But that should be covered under the
Warranty?
under the
There's no more warranties. It's
recall. It was 200 miles on it. 200,000 miles.
It was time.
Yeah. For the pandemic, we didn't sit still.
Oh, really?
He was always going someplace.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
True.
Say hi to Jen.
Hi, Jennifer. Don't do this stuff.
Hi, Jen.
Hi.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I don't know what to say. You're still speechless.
You gotta go get your driver's license. That's what you can say.
Probably.
Oh, yeah?
I said I probably do. I don't know. Too many crazy people out.
Uh-huh.
I know you experience it every day.
Yeah. Fun. Keeps your blood up.
Yep.
Oh God.
Well, enjoy.
Bye.
Thank you so much. You guys always go overboard.
That's all your son. He's a good guy. He's a good man.
I'm so glad that we raised him right for you.
I'll thank you for that, yes. Well, enjoy. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I
Talk
can't
to you
thank
guys
you
later.
enough. All
Okay.
right.
All y'all gotta do is just drive and enjoy. No payments, no nothing.
What?
Enjoy your new car. I got everything. Just y'all the greatest parents award.
Oh.
Congratulations. Congratulations, okay? Let me need anything. Man, if you need anything, please
All
give me
right.
a call, man. All right?
Appreciate it, man.
Of course, man. Anytime. Anytime. If there's anything I can do, you give me a call, text me. I'm always here.
All right.
I'll see you soon, okay?
Forward is reverse. You gotta push that button in. Oh yeah, it went in. All right. See, this is a new car. You could just look there.
Yeah, but you gotta get used to looking there.
Yeah, that's how it is now. 2021. You ain't gotta look back no more. We're not looking back. We're looking forward.
I'm
What's the
telling
habit?
you. Well, watch out, somebody's coming.
He's gonna probably be coming this way though, so you're gonna have to start going. Don't be too close to the BMW.
Don't hit
I'm
nobody.
gonna be buying two today. What was you about to say?
Your godfather, Apostle Leroy, was just talking about you again the other night. That's your seatbelt. And
Yes,
he
that's-
said
that's
that he
one.
see big things happening for you.
For me or for you?
For you. Really? Right, Elder? He said,
Or he see big things happening for me that allow me to do big things for you?
he said there's going to be, he said you're going to be turning a lot of things around out here in Suffolk County. There's going to be some big event that you're having or something that's going to have thousands of people there. He said like 2,000 people, and there's going to be rappers and different things. He said that you're going to, because of LD, your relationship with your father, and you're going to be able to turn some bad people's lives around, because sometimes, he said, how they used to say it's a wolf in sheep clothing. You're going to be the sheep in wolf clothing. So you're going to be looking like you're part of them, but you're actually there to help change them, or something to that effect, he was saying. But that's what he said the other night. He prophesied that you're going to be doing something really, really big.
Putting a lot of pressure on me. A whole lot of pressure on me.
I don't know.
I don't want
He
to let
just
him
said-
down.
He said this is what he said is gonna happen. He said it's gonna happen. He said he was talking about Bully Girl magazine and all of that. He was saying a lot of stuff. For some reason, I guess there's something. He's been following your page or something, and he see how you do your businesses and everything. And he said, he's just so proud and amazed, and it's really nice. It's a miracle. Leroy said miracles was gonna happen. He said that. He said somebody's gonna be calling me and giving a testimony about miracles. He said, I see miracles happening. I see new cars. He did say that.
He said new cars is coming. See?
Yeah. He didn't say for us in particular.
Ask him what the lottery numbers is.
He
Right.
did say it though, didn't he? He said, you asked Phil, because Phil was on the Zoom, and he said that He see people get new cars and new homes. And miracles are going to be, supernatural miracles are going to be happening.
So y'all, I need both of y'all to just take a deep breath and smell that new car smell.
We do.
Well, it's open. You better go for it. Go for it.
He's scared. He's scared to go for things. I was trying. How do I see your picture? Oh, the camera.
How you see my picture?
Wait a minute. How did we talk to each other before? And we was when you had the baby there.
Oh, through Messenger.
All right. So how can we do that again now?
What? I don't want to be on camera.
Oh, oh, you don't look good.
Tell her we'll be buying a little bit.
All right.
What you trying to tell me?
Huh?
Tell her nothing till we be buying. We be buying a little bit.
All right. We'll be by.
No. Who you bringing?
Just me.
Nobody. Just me and Obi.
What are y'all up to?
Not much.
What y'all doing or something?
I'll be there in a minute.
I think Ty told her.
You think Ty told?
What did she say?
Sound like she said, asking somebody, did they get a new car?
She did say that?
Yeah, it sounded like, did you hear that?
I think I heard it now that you mentioned it.
I don't remember hearing that.
Yeah, look, just before she said it real quick.
Oh,
She
Ty
know.
must have told her that.
Maybe.
They got their new house built on.
Well, enjoy your brand new car. I love y'all.
I love you too.
Yeah, we love you too, and thank you so much. We don't know what to say.
Just watch out for whatever happens next. Y'all never know what I'm coming through next with.
Oh, no. Let me call Apostle Leroy.
Yeah, ask him what's gonna happen next.
All right, love you.
All right, love y'all.
Love you too.
All right, man. So my parents love their new car. They just took it for a spin. I think they're going by my sister's house to show her the car. But yeah, that's it, man. It was a great surprise. Joe helped me pull it off. Everything went smooth, and it was a great experience, man. It's always a good feeling to do something for somebody else, and in this case, doing something for my parents. As you heard earlier, they're not, their car is not running smooth, 200,000 miles. They were already looking to try to get something else. So I'm glad I was able to help, and I hope they enjoy their new car, man. So you already know what to do. If you like the video, drop a comment below, hit that like button, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch y'all on the next one.